This how to 1 minute will show you how to add Google reviews to Wix website. It's very easy process for adding Google reviews to your website. Just follow me to do it. First of all, open your browser and you have to open this website elfsight.com, and if you're first time to this website, create a free account. Once done, hover over on widgets and here you will get a review section. Here scroll down and you will get here Google review, so click on it and now click on create widget, and now you will jump into your Google review editing page. Here you can select carousel layout, grid layout, list layout. So I'm going to selecting carousel and now click on review, and you can change review style from here. You can change review source style. Then click on appearance and here you can select theme. I'm selecting a light theme, and you can change accent color, and you can edit your reviews from this panel. After finishing your editing, click on publish, and here you have to select the free plan. So click on select and you will get here your Google reviews link or source code. So all you have to do is just copy this code from here and then go to your Wix site editor, and I want to add Google reviews to this section. So here's I'm clicking on add elements, and here select embed code and select embed HTML. Select here code and paste here your Google reviews source code and click on update. And as you can see, my Google reviews section has been successfully embedded here. Now you can make the Google reviews section bigger like this. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.